Can ordinary consumers forecast future trends in inflation, unemployment, or GDP? The conventional view is that forming expectations requires some basic economic knowledge, correct interpretation of ongoing trends, and the ability to make detailed calculations. It has been the consensus that most people could not fully accomplish these tasks. It was more likely that the bounds on people's rationality was so severe that their expectations would amount to little more than uninformed guesses. This dismal assessment has been shared by all social sciences, including economics, psychology, political science, and sociology. The data from the US and EU countries told a surprisingly different story. Expectations displayed a close correspondence with national economic data. Even more challenging, the expectations predicted future changes in inflation, unemployment, and the overall economy. Rather than a complex and difficult process, this book documents that expectations are formed naturally and automatically by everyone, regardless of their cognitive abilities. This book provides a new explanation of why, how, and when expectations are formed. Evolutionary developments have provided people with an efficient means to form expectations by using their full mental faculties, including conscious and non-conscious cognitive abilities, their emotional resources, and through social interactions. Each element provides a key role in producing and modifying expectations. While accuracy is still the predominant goal, the purpose of forming expectations is to anticipate the conditions that people actually face in their daily lives, although people's situations and their expectations differ markedly. When aggregated across the entire population, these expectations consistently track national trends. The theory also challenged several tenets of macro theory. Conventional theory holds that every recession is due to some exogenous shock or policy misstep. The new theory holds that it is the independent and powerful role of consumers that shapes most, but not all, economic cycles. The new theory recognizes the potential and likely role of self-fulfilling expectations as a determinant of economic cycles. Second, humans are shown to have an innate ability to appropriately respond to ambiguous information. Current theory holds that ambiguity means economic risks are incalculable, so no action is justified. Finally, the new paradigm is used to evaluate question wording, response categories, and index construction now used worldwide in consumer expectation surveys.